In our ever-evolving pursuit of a healthier lifestyle, the significance of dietary choices cannot be overstated. As individuals seek not only the pleasure of taste but also the nourishment that food provides, the ancient Japanese culinary art of making sushi emerges as a remarkable intersection of gastronomy and well-being. This essay delves deeper into the multifaceted aspects of the art of making sushi for a healthy lifestyle, exploring the nutritional intricacies, the exquisite artistry involved, and the overall enhancement of well-being associated with this unique culinary experience. Nutritional benefits of sushi. Sushi's reputation as a healthful choice stems from its core ingredients. The use of fresh, raw fish, particularly varieties like salmon and tuna, introduces a wealth of omega-3 fatty acids, renowned for their cardiovascular benefits. Additionally, the incorporation of seaweed, a staple in many sushi dishes, provides a natural source of iodine crucial for thyroid function. These nutritional elements collectively contribute to making sushi not just a delightful culinary experience but also a nourishing one. Balanced ingredients. Beyond its individual components, the genius of sushi lies in its balanced composition. The marriage of fish, rice, vegetables, and seaweed results in a harmonious blend of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. This nutritional equilibrium not only caters to the body's energy requirements but also ensures a well-rounded meal that supports overall health and well-being. Artistry in sushi making. Sushi transcends the realm of mere sustenance. It is an art form demanding precision, creativity, and a keen aesthetic sensibility. Crafting the perfect sushi roll involves not only choosing the finest ingredients but also the skillful arrangement of these components. From the meticulous slicing of sashimi to the vibrant colors of fresh vegetables, the artistry involved in sushi making transforms it into a visual and gastronomic masterpiece. Culinary creativity and personalization. Sushi is not a monolithic dish. It is a canvas for culinary creativity and personalization. Whether one opts for the simplicity of nigiri, the complexity of a maki roll, or the freshness of a poke bowl, sushi accommodates diverse tastes and preferences. This versatility renders sushi not only a delightful addition to the diet but also a customizable and enjoyable culinary journey tailored to individual palates and dietary requirements. Mindful eating and sushi rituals. Beyond its nutritional and aesthetic virtues, sushi is embedded in a culture that emphasizes mindful eating. The traditional rituals associated with sushi consumption, such as savoring each bite, appreciating the meticulous preparation, and engaging in the communal experience of sharing a meal, elevate the act of eating to a mindful and pleasurable endeavor. This approach aligns seamlessly with the principles of a healthy lifestyle, fostering a deeper connection between food and overall well-being. Sustainability and ethical considerations. In the contemporary landscape of conscientious dining, sushi also offers an avenue for those concerned with sustainability. The rise of responsible sourcing practices and the emphasis on ethical fishing contribute to making sushi not only a healthy choice for the individual but also a sustainable one that considers the broader ecological impact. The art of making sushi for a healthy lifestyle unfolds as a comprehensive exploration of a culinary practice that extends beyond the realm of nourishment. It embodies the synergy between nutritional excellence, culinary artistry, and mindful consumption. As individuals navigate the complex terrain of dietary choices in their pursuit of wellness, sushi emerges not just as a meal but as a transformative journey, one that tantalizes the taste buds, engages the senses, and enriches the overall quality of life. Embracing the art of making sushi becomes a profound step toward a healthier, more fulfilling lifestyle, where each roll is not just a dish but a celebration of well-being.